Yo, what's going on? Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Twitch, Instagram, really wherever y'all looking at this video at. Welcome to the very first video of let me rephrase. Welcome to the very first tutorial of DJ 3000, man. This is pretty much where I'm going to show y'all different things, like how I make my beats. This video right here specifically is how to pretty much use 808 MIDI files, specifically mine. So I'm gonna just show y'all an example real quick. A MIDI file is pretty much like this here. Let me just go. This is my hi-hat. So a MIDI file is pretty much like different notes that look like this. So the thing about MIDI files is that you can change. And here, this may be a bad example, but let me just go ahead and show you. So 3K MIDI kits, Lil Baby, 808. So when you be listening in the car, you hear them heavy 808s just knocking, you hear them patterns going crazy. This is how it starts. Usually with a MIDI file. Sometimes people just make their own stuff. Like I make these myself. However, these are interchangeable. So if you're a new producer or you're just trying to get into Lil Baby type beats, getting MIDI files is a easy way to start off with a beat. So all I have is a simple hi-hat and a simple clap. All I did was drag over one of my MIDI files. So MIDI files, like I said, they can be interchangeable. You can change the notes. You can change the pitch. You can shift up and down. You can do whatever. You can change the hell out of these. You ain't even got to put this on the 808. You can put this on the clap. Here, let me just show you an example of what this sounds like so you get the idea. Let's play another one. Yeah. Let's go to another one. Let's let that play again. Yeah. Man, that ain't no rapper, man. Yeah. Alright. But pretty much y'all get the idea though, right? Alright, so let me just show you real quick. So if I wanted to change the pitch on this, I could. If I want this to be a lower, so I just raised the octave up by 1. If I want this to actually be a lower key, I can. If I want to go even lower. If I want to just go down a whole nother octave again. If I just wanted to change it, add in some more notes and shit. Sounds terrible, but you could. See, the thing about MIDI files is that you have so much flexibility and you can do whatever you want. With a sample, all you have is a sample and you can only change that sample as a whole. You can't have those individual sounds. As a MIDI file, everything is so much more individually, so if I want to just say have a kit for my YoungBoy, I'm not going to show y'all just yet. However, my YoungBoy bundle is going to start. I'm telling you, man, this one here is damn near more fire than Lil Baby one. And I've been getting a bunch of feedback from people saying, hey, man, how you make these MIDI files? That's going to be a whole separate video. For right now, I just want to show y'all, like, these are my Lil Baby 808 MIDI files. This is how it works. I'm going to show y'all soon how y'all can get these. Link's going to be in the descriptions. Like I said, my Lil Baby 808 MIDI kit, I got 13 per kit. So pretty much this is going to be if you get the whole bundle, it's $20. If you just want one kit, it's $10. So if you get each kit individually, it's $30. If you get the bundle, you'll save $10 and get it for $20. So knowing that, for $20 with the bundle, you can get 39 MIDI files because there's 13 of these in each one. So you can save quite a bit of cash. So you can save a whole third. Probably one of my favorite, probably my favorite one is MIDI kit number 3. It's just, this was like, I got the experience of making 1. I then got the experience in a different style of making 2. And when 3 came, man, I just went straight crazy. Also, I can't show you just yet. Actually, I can't show you at all right now because it's not linked up. But you can't see like my like if I switch to another like if I switch to OBS or Google Chrome, you can't see that right now because I don't have it set up. But if you were to go inside of the files, you can see exactly how long it took me to go to pretty much make the next one. So just to get an idea, in here. Or maybe I can. No, I can't. So you have to right click and go to properties inside the actual folder. You can see like I might have made MIDI kit number 1, pattern 1 at 9:18 a.m. I might have made pattern 2 at 9:20 a.m. Like some of these might have not took long, but some of these might took a little bit longer. So you can actually see how long, what day I did all this on. So I think I did this. Some of these I did like within the same week. Some of these might have been like 3 months later, just because I took a little break and I started getting serious once I seen people really hitting me up about these. So, or no, that's number 2. One of these, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, I had to add number 1 done. Number 2, it might be like a pause up in there between like when I did some of these. But number 3, I try to knock that shit out in the same day. So it was real crazy. But all of these here, I play. Actually, you know what? Let me play number 10. So I just want to show y'all that real quick. I'm trying to make this like a little quick video, just something I just put out just real quick. So now that y'all have seen what MIDI files are like, I'm going to show y'all once you get your MIDI files, you would just come up here to option. Actually, collapse structure, reread structure. That's something I always do. I'll show y'all why in a minute. In order to put your MIDI files in, you come up here to file settings. You come right here, click on this little folder. And wherever you saved your MIDI files to, all you would do is just locate it. Pretty much all you're doing is just telling FLA, hey, I have my 3K little baby 808 MIDI kit inside of my C drive. It's in FL Studio folder and it's underneath drum kits. But for me, I have mine in my D drive. So I would come to D drive. I know exactly where it's at. It's in my FL Studio folder. And I'm just going to click on kits folder. And it's got my 3K drum kits, 3K MIDI kits. So I click OK. Boom. So now come over to collapse structure. Reason you collapse it, say you got a bunch of stuff open, like I don't know, some of this or whatever, and you're just like, man, I just feel so overwhelmed.
Can't hold me back.
What the? All right, now you just come over to collapse structure. I must have clicked some on accident, but I don't see. I ain't ever just use these. Fuck that. And see, I feel so overwhelmed. Oh my god. You just click collapse structure and you just come straight back to the beginning. Like this is just such a very good button. I use it all the time. Like if I just got so much shit open, I'll just easily hit collapse structure and just come straight back to where everything's organized. If you want to read structure, this is like say you like we just did. You come to file settings, you just added in pretty much where you want your drum kits and shit to be at. You might have added in some more sounds. You might have added in I don't know, a voice tag, whatever. So you would hit reread structure. I do collapse structure, then I reread it. So I collapse the structure, get it all organized, and I reread it. So that anything new that just came in, it's right here. So if I didn't have that kits folder in the options file settings, it wouldn't be showing right now. And now when I reread the structure, it will pop up. So you would just click on this, wherever it's at, and usually if you just put it up exactly how I got it in the folder and you just linked it up directly, if you bought the bundle, this is what you'll see. This is what you'll see. You'll see 3K Little Baby 808 MIDI kit bundle, and if you click on that bundle, you'll see kit number 1, kit number 2, kit number 3. All right, so boom, 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 got that. And if you click on this, you'll see all 13 files in the number 1. Click on this, you'll see all 13 number 2. Click on this, you'll see all 13 number 3. And if you bought each one individually, you'll just see whichever one that you bought, whichever 2 or 3 that you bought individually. So, but if you bought the bundle, it'll actually say bundle and it'll have these 3 already inside. So, here I'm gonna show you exactly how you can purchase these bundles. Also, like I said, link's gonna be in the description. And let's see. So I'm gonna show. Let's see, 3K store. Boom, just like that. This actually is working out pretty good. First video and everything. So I'm gonna come up here to Google Chrome, and remember, if you are on PC, you will see these tabs at the top. Let me go ahead and click out of. Dang, I did not want to do that. Let me go ahead and click out of this. Show you an example. If you're on PC, Mac, tablet, I believe too, you'll see these tabs at the top. If you're on phone, you're gonna have to click the menu button, and it's gonna have like three blue lines right here. You click that, and you'll see a drop down come up. It's gonna have these tabs on the side, so it's a little bit different on the phone. It may be the same as tablet. I'm not for sure. However, you'll just simply click 3K sound kits. If you still don't know what I'm talking about as far as the tabs, that's fine. If you want an easier way or just an alternative way, just scroll down until you see 3K sound kits. It's going to be right underneath the merchandise. Boom. Now, if you want to purchase an individual one, you can. You can also click Browse All Kits. It'll take you to the same place Sound Kits will. It'll take you to the Sound Kits tab. Now, I'm not worried about the Young Boy kit, but you can buy that if you want to. Two more are dropping real soon. And I'm going to also release the bundles too. So if you want to just wait for that bundle, you can. Just keep checking the page. Matter of fact, if you want to get instant feedback as to when I put these kits and stuff up, sign up for my email list. So as soon as you come to the page, it'll have an email list. I'm going to drop all kind of stuff in that email list. I'm going to keep you guys updated on everything. So here, now we have the little baby 808 MIDI kit bundle. If you want to purchase the bundle or anything on here, really, you would just click on details, see what it's about, see more what it's about. You can read the little description I made. So for example, on this one, it says, this is my little baby 808 MIDI kit bundle. It includes my little baby 808 MIDI kit number 1, number 2, and number 3. Altogether, this bundle has 39 MIDI files produced by DJ 3000 himself, your boy, all inspired by Lil Baby's signature sound. It's going to show you a picture of MIDI kit number 1, number 2, and number 3. For only $20, you can add this to your cart and simply just check out. Or if you don't want to do that, you could just download MIDI kit number 1 for $10, put that in your cart, see what it's like, check out, and if you liked it, like I said, you can come back, pick up number 2 if you thought that was fire as well, or you might just pick up number 3. It's all up to you, but I'm trying to go ahead and give you the benefit of the doubt. If you want to purchase all 3 and save $10, most people, once they buy 1 and they buy 2, they're gonna buy 3. So it's kind of like, I'm just using this as an example to pretty much show y'all you should just go ahead and buy the bundle in the first place. So for 1, you can save $10, and for 2, when you purchase number 1, you're like, damn, these things is fire, and then you hit me up on the DMs, hey bro, can I get the other 2 for like $5? I really want to buy that bundle. Hey man, you should have bought the bundle, big dog. I tried to tell you. I mean, that's why I'm making this video right now, because I've got multiple people buying this and then this and this, or they're buying this and they want these 2 half off. Nah, big dog, you had the opportunity to pretty much get this and this and this for just $20 a piece. Or excuse me, $20 in total, not a piece. Heck no. All right. And like I said, you can go to checkout. Also, look for coupon codes inside those emails. So you'll see, like, for example, I may have a coupon code specifically for sound kits, specifically for beats, for services. So it's gonna be different things up in there. Just make sure you read everything. I try to keep stuff organized in there, and you will see everything. You can check out with PayPal or Stripe. Even if you don't have a PayPal or Stripe account, all you got to do is just put in like your card information. I won't see any of this. All it's going to send me is just the email once you checked out. So this has nothing to do with me. This is PayPal and this is Stripe. They have their own way of doing whatever. So what you will get is the coupon code will be sent to them, or the coupon discount will be applied here, and your total will be posted for, your total will be posted right there. So whenever you check out, whatever the actual total is after the discount will be applied to the PayPal or Stripe. So yes sir. If you want to contact me, I have my Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Instagram. You can DM me, SoundCloud on here. I wouldn't message me on SoundCloud. I ain't gonna lie to you. Really don't be on there like that. However, I'm finna start posting back on there like I do on YouTube. So you can also email me. You can just leave your name, email address, subject, send me a message. You can DM me on Facebook, Dennis Johnson Jr. DM me on Instagram at DJ3000official. I don't. You can leave a YouTube comment. Yes, you can. But if you have an actual like serious business question, I say DM me on Instagram. I would actually see that. A YouTube comment, I might not be checking as often. So YouTube comment, I'm probably gonna check maybe my YouTube comments. I didn't mean to hit that. I'm probably gonna be checking my YouTube comments not as often as my DMs because if you hit me in my DMs, I can actually see it on my phone. But a YouTube comment, I might see it on my phone. There's no guarantee. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So I appreciate y'all checking your boy out. It's my first video. I'm just trying to upload. So hey man, y'all go make some bangers with these 808 MIDI kits, man. I appreciate y'all, man. Y'all be easy.